It's 3 out of the 4 big ends plastigauged. I don't know if you've actually seen this stuff. There's the filaments, 2 special types of grease. One's a release, one's so it doesn't stick where you don't want it to. The other one's release agent. There's the actual gauge, which is calibrated in metric one side, imperial the other, so you get it both ways. Basically I've just taut that big end up now, put that plastigauge in, just parting it now. You see how the gauge is used. I'll just put the camera down. Yeah, that's basically it now. That's the plastigauge spread across. All you do is offer up the gauge. I think it falls halfway in between. I did rotate that a bit. You shouldn't rotate it because it spreads it more than it should. I'd say it's 0.5 mil or between 1.5 and 2 thou.